when I'm walking by, I know the truth is he wanna know.
What's up YouTube, it's Leia. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm doing another Shein try-on haul. They have a sale going on. I think it's like the 11/11 sale, November 11th. They're having a November 11th sale. They're having a Black Friday sale. They're having a Cyber Monday sale. So like, baby, use my code, save you some coins or whatever. But I'm honestly not even sure how much items I got in this haul. Expect a lot of Shein try-on hauls this month, next month, like in the future, just in general, because I love Shein and you guys know I work with them. So it's just like, you know, like I could never get enough Shein clothes. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Baby, we're on a roll to 50K, okay? So make sure you hit the subscribe button and get me to 50K, like, come on. And make sure you turn your post notifications off when I post too, because baby, you don't want to miss a video. This is another fall haul, so this is all like fall related clothes. I'll leave the links for all the items in this haul in my description box, just so you guys can get it if you want. Make sure you get it before it sells out, because I'm telling y'all, like, everything on Shein sells out like that. Like, I'll be watching somebody's Shein haul, and I'm like, oh, that's cute, let me go see, and it'll be out of stock. I'll be like, what? Like, they just posted this video yesterday. So everything just be like selling out like that. Like, Shein is really it. Everybody's on the wave. Like, if you're not on the wave, then what are you doing, baby? Period. Comment down if you shop at Shein too, because I know I'm not the only one. Shein is very cute, affordable, trendy. Like, you can never go wrong. So let's start this video. Okay, like I said before, I don't know how much items is in this box, but it looks like a big box. So I'm just gonna empty everything out. All right, that's everything. Alright, so the first item is this shirt. This is like a nude type of tan color, and it's long sleeve. It has like the what's this called, the zip down thing, a zipper. I said zip down thing. What? It has a zipper, so if you want to wear it like that, you know, giving. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, this is the first item, and like, I already know this haul is gonna be fire. Like, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, this is more like, you know, neutral. It's not really doing too much, but it's like you could style it up, you could do a lot. This is so cute. It's a little see-through, so I wore a bra with it. You know, when you want to feel like cute, but you know you don't want to do too much, you know, it's like simple but you still cute, still giving. That's what it's giving. Like, simple but very much cute, very much like. This is in a size medium. I think everything in this haul is in size medium, but I love this. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I don't know why, like, this is just giving. Like, it's not even doing nothing and it's really giving. Like, I love the color, I love how light it is. I can't wait to wear all these clothes. Like, every time I do a Shein try-on, I'll just be thinking about so many ideas of how I'm gonna wear the clothes. I just be like, okay, so next is these jeans. This is cute. Like, this is not really my style, because I normally wear like skin tight skinny jeans, but I actually like these. Like, these are really cute. These are in a size medium. I'm actually feeling this. Like, hold on, Shein, y'all did something. And I like how it's like mad distressed and stuff. Let me put the camera down a little bit, because you guys need to see everything. Yeah, so it's like a whole bunch of like distressed rips and stuff. I think there's like a rip right here. Yes, this is cute. I like that. Yeah, this is giving. Okay, Shein. The only thing is they're like a little bit like flare at the bottom, like a little tiny bit, not OD. They're not straight leg, but they're not flare either. You know what I mean? Like, they're like in between straight leg and flare. That's the only thing. I thought these were gonna be like really like straight leg, but also I like the fact that these go all the way down to my ankles, because like, y'all know I'm 5'9.5", almost 5'10". Like, I'm really tall, and these are not high waters. Like, I can literally wear these with anything. I can wear these with a pair of heels. You guys see what I mean? Like, it's literally like, it's so much extra like material, so the fact that they go past my ankles is ridiculous. Like, it's so crazy, and I love it. Like, I can actually wear these with jeans. I mean, I could wear it with heels and it won't be a problem. Like, yeah, these are really cute. I really like these. Okay, I did get a lot of jeans in this haul, so I really hope that I like all of them, because so far I'm loving Shein jeans. This is my second pair of jeans that I tried on from Shein, and so cute. The first pair I tried on was in my Shein try-on haul that I just posted before, so go watch that. But yes, this is cute. This is cute. You know when you start feeling yourself when you trying on new clothes and you just dancing like. All right, so the next item is this bag. I don't know how to open it. Oh, the only thing about this is that it literally came like smush. Like, it came crushed. I didn't like that, because you know when you crush a bag, it like takes it out of its shape and stuff. I don't like that. Damn, it looks all smudged. But it's the saddle bag. It's in the color like beige, tan, nude. There's supposed to be a strap. It's right here. This is a strap, so you can wear it like as a shoulder bag. That's what I got it for, because this is so cute as a shoulder bag. It's just really flimsy. It's mad flimsy. I really don't like that. If you sit on it, it's over for this bag. I'm gonna put the straps on and see how it looks with the strap. Okay, so I got it on the the strap. The only thing is this strap is really long, so to wear it as like a shoulder bag is like, I don't know, it's not really giving. And I'm kind of disappointed because, you know, when it's fall, this goes with everything, this color. So I don't know, the quality isn't that good. It's cute though, like it's a cute saddle bag, but the quality is not there. Whatever. Okay, so the next item is these jeans. These are just black jeans, and they have like cutout right here with like laces, and it's just so cute. Like it's like crisscross or whatever. They're skinny jeans, and they're a little bit like too short for me, but I could wear this with like boots or something, tuck it into my boots, you know. These are really high rise, and you guys know I love high rise jeans, like love high rise jeans. So this is really doing it for me. Like these are so cute. I can really like wear this with so much. Like you can wear it with heels, you can wear it with sneakers. Like this is so cute. I wasn't expecting it to fit like this because I don't know, I wasn't expecting it to fit like this. I thought it was gonna be like really tight, but these are cute. I can wear this. This is actually like, it exceeded my expectations. So okay, Shein, these are literally so cute. They fit so good. Like they're not too big, not too small. Like literally a 10 out of 10, and that's surprising because I'm really picky about my jeans. Well, actually I'll give it a 9 out of 10 only because of the ankle, but other than that, so yeah. Okay, so the next item is this jacket. It's a denim jacket, a black denim jacket, and it has chains on it in the back. I hope you don't have to put the chain on yourself, because you know when you be getting stuff with chains and stuff, it literally sends you like the shirt and then the chain separate. You have to do it yourself, like. But it comes with the chain on it. Okay, that's cute. Yes, it comes with the chains on the back of the jacket. Thank God, because I was not about to be sitting here lacing this up. This is mad cute. I've been eyeing this for mad long, but yeah, I'm gonna try it on. Let's see. Oh, these chains is cold on my back. Hold on. Oh, this is cute. I'm not gonna fix the sleeves right now because I'm about to take it off. But this is just like my orange jean jacket from my last Shein try on haul. Like the sleeves are a little bit short, but it's a crop denim jacket, and it's, I thought it was, oh yeah, it's red. It's distressed, so that's mad cute. I love distressed anything. It's also the same type of material as my orange one from my last try on haul, so this is not like real right denim. Like these jeans feel more like denim than this denim jacket, but yeah, this is really cute. I really like this bag. I love how the back is open with the chains because it just, first of all, it could show like the color of your shirt from the back, and then the silver chains is just adding something to it. It's just so cute. Like yes, I've been wanting this for so long and I finally have it, so I'm hyped. Like baby, you can't tell me nothing. Like Shein, y'all doing it for me, okay? This is so cute. Okay, so these are the next jeans. I'm not really sure how I feel about these. These are a little bit too big. Like the waist fits, but right here it's just like so much fabric, and I really don't like that, only because I don't know, like it feels like why is there so much fabric there? The other jeans weren't like this, so I know it's definitely not me. Like it's not me, it's the jeans. The denim is cute though. Like I really like the denim, and these are also straight leg. These come down to my ankles as well, so these are not high waters. I need to like get them fitted. Maybe that's what it is, so I could like take away this extra fabric. If this fabric wasn't here, like it would have been like perfect. So I'm probably gonna like take this to the cleaners or something so they can fix this, because I don't know how to do that. And these are like real right straight leg. Like the other ones, those were mad cute, but those were like a little bit like flare kind of. These are like real straight legs, so yeah, these are really cute. I could work with these. Okay, so these are the next jeans. I'm not sure if you guys can see like all the way to the bottom, but I got these because they kind of remind me of like Goosebumps. Like this green writing right here, it looks like the Goosebumps writing. It has red and black in it. I was thinking like I could wear this with my bread floors. It's cute, but the only thing is that I didn't want these in this colored denim. Like these pair of jeans come in like 3 different shades. They come in light blue, medium blue, and dark blue, and these are like the medium blue ones. I wanted the lighter blue ones, so that's the only thing I'm kind of like about. I really want the lighter blue ones. I don't like this medium color. Like it's okay, but compared to like the lighter blue ones, those are so much better. But this is still cute. Like I can still take a cute little picture real quick, whatever. There's like a face right here. I really don't know what this is. I can't read upside down, so I'm not sure if I would do something with the green, because you know, like I love bringing out colors in clothing. So like if I can bring the green out, like I'll try, depending on the shirt that I'm wearing. I'll probably get a shirt, like a graphic tee that has like a black graphic tee that has like green or red in it. These are also straight leg, and they come all the way down to my ankles, so no high waters over here. It's giving. So yeah, these are cute. I could work with these. My butt just can't look flat. That's the only thing. So before we go to the next item, I was about to take this shirt off, right? And I just realized that the zipper goes both ways. So I can dead unzip it from the bottom too, so it could give it like that kind of look. You can see my bra, but you guys get the gist. Like, okay, you could wear this mad different ways. You could wear it like this, you could wear it like this, and you could wear it like this. Like, nah, Nah, but this is cute. This is cute. All right, so the next item is this shirt. This is cute. It says thank you on it. Wait, thank you, enjoy. This is like the Chinese to-go box thing, and everybody has this shirt. Like, well, not this specific one. Everybody has like the tank top one, you know, like a little white beater, but it has this on it. This is mad cute. This was mad trending. I was like, yo, I don't have one and I want one, so I'm gonna get one. You can wear this with mad stuff. Like, you can wear this with jeans, you can wear it with a skirt, you can wear it with some sweatpants. Like, you can literally do a lot with this. This is really cute. I feel like this is just like an essential piece. Not essential, but like, this is just like, you know, a casual piece to have. This is not really doing too much, but it's still cute. Like, this is still very much baddie. It's giving very much baddie. Like, hold on. Yeah, I really like this. This is also in a size medium. It's not even that see-through. Well, it's not see-through at all, actually. I'm wearing a black bra, so I wouldn't know. It's really not see-through. Like, normally, like, when they be having white shirts on Shein, you could see through it. Well, that was before, but I guess Shein is, like, really, like, changing their quality of the clothes, because lately, like, everything be mad good. All right, so the next item is this red bag. This actually matches with the shirts. So I'm gonna see if I can wear it with this. Hold on, let's see. Wait, where's the... I'm tired of Shein not putting the strap on it. Like, come on, Shein. This is the strap. Oh, it comes with 2 straps. Okay, I see what y'all did there. All right, so this is the bag. It's like a croc material type of print thing. Yeah, but it's just red. And it comes with 2 straps. One is a long one. This is like for it to be a crossbody bag, or if you want it to be like really long. And they gave you a short one if you want it to be a shoulder bag, and you could wear it like on your shoulder, which is the way I like. So I'm gonna put it on. So this is how it looks with the strap on it, and this is really cute. It's big enough for your phone, again, because y'all be trying to play the mini bags. Like, don't do that. There's no pockets inside, just a bag. I also needed a bigger red bag because I have a little one, but it's a little bit too small. Like, I needed something a little bit bigger. This is cute. This does go because, you know, the red in the shirt, whatever. Very much like thank you next. Okay, it says thank you enjoy, baby. No, thank you next. This is good. Very much like, wait, am I ashy? Hold on, because I can't be seeing me ashy. I keep saying this is cute to everything, but it's dead cute. Like, I feel like that's everybody in Shein trying hard. Like, we all be like, this is cute, but it dead be cute. But this is giving. Y'all already know I said that in all my trying hauls, all my everything. Like, every single video I'm like, it's giving. Like, it's very much something. All right, so next item is this. What is this? Oh, it's like a teddy coat. Oh, this is mad soft. Hold on, it's mad soft. My New York accent, mad soft. But this is really mad cute. Hold on, let me. Okay, it's buttons. I thought it was like the buttons that you have to put through the hole. I hate those type of buttons with these type of jackets because it's like, these are mad thick to be doing that. So I like the buttons that you can just clip. Oh, baby, it's giving daddy. Hold on. Hold on. Y'all see my mink? Stop playing. Y'all see the fur? Nah, but for real, this jacket is really mad cute. I've been wanting a teddy coat for mad long, and this is so cute. It's so soft. I just hope that like the material doesn't get like matted. It doesn't get matted fast. Like, I hope it doesn't get matted or dirty or whatever. This is cute. It's cropped, of course. Like, I think it's in a size medium too. If it's not a medium, it might be a large because it's a little big, but I'm not sure. I have too many Shein bags on the floor to even know what bag I just took this out of, so I really don't know if it's medium or large, but this is really cute. I probably wear this like something like this, you know, not with this, but something like off the shoulder, you know, with a little bag. I really love this. It's winter. Well, it's about to be winter. It's fall right now. This is very much a fall coat because winter you're gonna be freezing with this. Like, this is not that thick. Like, you really need, well, where I live in New York, and I'm upstate right now, so it's definitely not thick enough for where I'm at. But this is cute for fall. Like, this is very cute for fall. First of all, I love the color because you can wear it with anything. Like, it's giving. This is like a creamy, like off-white color. Okay, so next item is this bag, and this bag is actually similar to the beige one. This bag that I'm about to open is really similar to this one, but it's not the same bag. It's really not, because this one is flimsy, but this one is really like good material. Like, hold on, let me open it. Hold on. See, this is what a saddle bag should look like. It's really sturdy. Like, it's not bendable. It didn't come all broken up. I'm not saying the other one did, but you know, like it's not bended at all. This is so, and it's thick. Like, this is like some good quality. Okay, material. It's definitely probably not real leather, but it's cute and it's giving. Oh, okay, I forgot. You see, I always be forgetting what I ordered until I open it. But this is the strap that it comes with, and again, it comes with 2 Shein. Y'all know what y'all be doing. This is the crossbody strap. This is the one to make it like a shoulder bag. I'm gonna put this one on. This is so cute because it has like this chain, like, I don't even know what this is called, but it's like chains. So I'm gonna put it on. Bro, this is mad cute. Hold on. This kind of reminds me of like the Dior saddle. Who's paying? I don't know how much that bag is. I really don't. I think it's like 2,000, 2.5K. I don't even know because I'm not buying it. This is mad cute. Like this is mad cute. If you want to get a bag that's similar to that, I'm not saying this is like come close to that, but this is still like the shape of the bag. It's still a saddle bag and it's so cute. And it's white, so it's like this goes with anything. I love white bags. Like I love white. It's my last name. Like come on, white. I wish like I got this bag in the beige color. I don't even know if it comes with the beige color, but I prefer this type of saddle bag than the other one, the beige one, because this one is so much more sturdier. It's so much more better. Like, do you see how cute this is? This is so cute. Add it to the collection because y'all know I love bags. Like, if you watch my hauls, you know I get a bag in every single haul. Like, I'm always getting a new bag. All right, next item is this skirt. It's like a leather skirt, and it's like, I don't even know what this is called, asymmetrical. I don't know, but this is mad cute. Like, it's really giving, and it's kind of like giving like dress slash skirt vibes. So you guys see what I mean? I wouldn't wear it with this shirt. I definitely wouldn't wear it with this shirt. I'd probably wear it with like a graphic tee or something long sleeve. I'm not sure. Maybe something like turtleneck long sleeve. Yeah, that would be really cute. When I saw this, I was like, nah, I gotta get this. I wouldn't wear this with sneakers. I would wear this like with heels, boots, something like that. You know, something in that category. Yeah, this is so cute. Like, I wouldn't wear this outfit together, but it's still cute. Like, if you wanted to, you could wear this together. You could wear this with anything, basically. And it's kind of stretchy, so, you know, and it's a zipper in the back. That's how you like zipper up. I love this. This is mad cute. And this is giving very much fall because it's so trendy right now. Like, everybody's wearing like leather pants and stuff, like leather everything. Okay, next thing from Shein is this hat. Hold on, because I think it's smushed. It's this hat. It has a chain on it. I'm about to see how this looks. This is like kind of similar to the hat that Janet Jackson wore. Hold on, because this hat is small. Don't tell me I can't fit it with my big head. I dead can't even fit this hat. Well, with a wig on I can't. I probably could fit it with my natural hair. Yeah, it's the braids in the back. Damn, I can't even see the full look. Aaliyah J dead has a hat that's similar to this. I'll add a picture, but I can't fit this hat, so it's looking clipped. Yeah, so if you have a big hat like me, then don't get this hat because you won't be able to fit it with a wig. Well, if you wear a wig, because I definitely know I can fit this without these braids in the back. Literally, that's what's stopping it from going down. Oh well, but you guys get the gist. It has a chain on. And this would look so much better if I could put it on my head. Whatever, it's still cute if I could fit it, which I can't. So this is giving me very much like, that's what this is giving. The struggles of having a big head. This happens to me with everything, like hats, wigs when they don't fit. I wish they had sizes for this. If they had sizes, that's what y'all need to do, Shein. Y'all need to make sizes for this because I would have got a large. This is just, it's one size fits all, which clearly is false, but it's alright. We're gonna try again with another hat. Okay, so this is the last item. Of course, it's giving. It's a one shoulder, like bandana type of shirt, and it's a crop top, of course. It's mad cute though because, you know, like everybody was wearing those bandana shorts with all the different patterns and stuff. Everybody was wearing those shorts in the summer, and I did one of those, and I was gonna get them from Shein. And then as soon as I'm about to get them, I see everybody and their mother with them. I'm like, hold on. I am not gonna be twinning with everybody. Like, that is not okay. Everybody had those shorts, and I was just tight. I was like, damn, like I really wanted those. Now I got the shirt. Nobody got the shirt, but nobody got this shirt. I have somebody with the shirt, so I was like, all right, y'all wanna take the shorts? Y'all can take the shorts. I'm gonna get the shirt. I don't know. This is not really like a fall item. This is something like more like spring or summer, but I'm still gonna wear it fall. You dead can. I love the colors. Like, it's just giving. I could probably wear this with my all white ups just so like I don't wear a pair of sneakers that's doing too much. But other than that, I love this shirt. This is a size medium. So that's pretty much the end of this haul. I literally loved everything in this haul besides like I think one thing. It was like one of the jeans were like too big right here, and like of course this bag. I'm so upset about this bag, but I'm gonna still wear it. Everything else was a 10 out of 10. Like, I love Shein. They never disappoint. Shein really be knowing what they doing with everything. Like, they really, like, Shein really be coming through. That's all I'm gonna say. Shein know what they doing. It's always very much giving. So all the links for order items will be in the description box below, as I said before. And again, if you guys want to see more Shein try on hauls, make sure you comment that down below because I'm gonna do them anyway. So also comment down if you shop with Shein too, because Shein is really like, they're everything right now. Use my code. It's gonna be on the screen and in the description box below. I have more hauls coming soon, so but just make sure you use my code for money off. Save you some coins, period. Yeah, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.